Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001 here. So many of the people sent me an email asking that can you show us some of the work which is not affiliate marketing, which is not blogging or any other stuff, but there is some genuine job which is available online through which we can make money. Okay, so today I researched some of the bit and I found two of the genuine website which will provide you some of the jobs if you really want to make money online. So now let's jump into these are also known as raters, curators and search engine evaluator jobs. Okay, so in these jobs what you have to do is just do some simple tasks related to search engines, and what you have to do is you can, and the benefit of this work is flexible, part-time, home based. And what you can do is you just have to go to this website which is known as appin.com, and what you have to do is just apply for all this any of these jobs. Okay, if you know one or two languages, then you can apply for this language one. If you don't know any of that stuff, then you can also provide for raters. Raters are someone who just provide some of the ratings to Google search engines and many other stuff. That is really easy home based work which you can do from the comfort of your home. And the benefit of this website is that this website pays you $16 per hour. Okay, so that's what you can do all this work just sitting at home. First of all, you have to apply for this network, and after that you have to pass an exam. Okay, if you are able to pass that exam, that you will get a job in appin.com, and then you can start working for them and earning $16 per hour. This is a real time job. You have to do this job for 40 to 20 to 40 hours a week. Only after that you can make money out of that. But this is really a genuine job which is available on the internet in 2020, which you can find out. One of the another website which also provides you job is known as this lionbridge.com. Okay, just remember the name of the website, which is lionbridge.com, and here also you can find this type of jobs. If you know two languages, then you can find here jobs related to translators. There are testers, raters and curators. These are the easy jobs which you can do, just simple. Okay, and the search engine evaluator jobs. These are the types of jobs which are available, okay, on this network. And you can join this network from almost any country in the world and start making money out of it. So this is for the people who are not interested in affiliate marketing, who are not interested in blogging, but simply want to do some of the jobs online. Then this is really something for you. If you are looking for an employment online, then will definitely help you, and you can start making money out of this. These are genuine companies which are working for many of the years, and they have paid, many of the people have earned good amount of money doing jobs with this company. So these companies are definitely the best ones and most legit and genuine ones which I can recommend to you, where you can do a genuine job and start making money out of it. Okay, so this is really simple. So just take action on one of the methods which you like. On my channel I come up with the ideas about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, online business. So if you like my video, if you like my content, then just press the like button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.